One time my best friend put me on the worst date of my life, so now I'm gonna put him on his. I set him up with a girl who's all full of herself and thinks she's so famous. Let's see how the date goes. Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
I'm Carrie Ann.
Like toast?
Oh, it stinks.
Would you guys like some food? We have a
Can you give us a moment, please?
we have a special. I just would bring it over. It's very special.
Hold on. Well, hold on.
Should I bring it over?
Yeah,
Sure.
Yeah, just bring it over. Okay.
That's what I said. It looks gross. I was like, what the heck is this?
Is it?
This is a lot of wine. I'm afraid of myself. Back their lips.
Well, I like to add. I was in The Occurrence. It was a best-selling movie.
Well, it might have not been.
I was in it. I was the top role. I was like better than everybody. Yeah, like I got the best actress award.
So is this real?
Yes, it's real. You don't just touch people's hair. What kind of manners? What did your parents teach you? What the heck? Oh my gosh.
Where do you live?
Hollywood.
I live in the comp.
Oh wow. No, it's gross.
So warm.
Disgusting.
What did I do?
Oh my gosh. You were disgusting.
This is really heavy.
Join a gym.
Ew. Oh god. No cookies for you.
Go to Spanish church.
Nice. Chad. What the heck?
I can't believe it.
Didn't know it was that tiring.
I really got to go. BRB.
Whoa! I don't know what to do. That's like a minute. Alright, guys.
I'm back, baby.
Oh yeah. I think that you could use a little makeup. Pucker up. Okay.
I actually gotta go. I gotta call my mom and, why? Actually, where's my phone?